So some tips for doing the job we all love to hate, cleaning the toilet. The first thing we need to do is take on what we call the staggered stance, where we put one leg in front, the other leg behind, about shoulder width apart. Keeping our ear in line with our shoulder, in line with our hips, and squatting. We don't want to bend or twist. Our second tip is to get one of these long-handled toilet brushes. Your conventional toilet brush is going to be too short and you're going to have to do a lot more bending and twisting. Our third tip is called building a bridge, where we take our hand, place it on the cistern to take our whole upper body weight. We keep our ear above our shoulder, above our hip. We take the staggered stance and clean away.